We just set up like a shootout one. Oh, you hit it. Oh, really?
Yeah. Watch what you're saying, John. They're flying at you.
I gotta duck them. Like, oh.
You gotta matrix that shit.
So you're right, like it's not that impressive.
I told you as loud as a rifle. Oh, that's loud. You're out.
I'm out.
That's a target.
U-Haul by myself. Well, I ended up getting a hernia. Now at 32, I thought I was fucking strong and healthy. It was fucking bad. Now that's what we're talking about. Hit that top left.
Digger hunting season.
Dummy's just.
I want him. I'm the old guy.
Good shot.
Orlando's country. K92.3.
You hear how it went?
One shot, one kill, nigga.
Yeah, that was a proper explosion there.
All right.
All right. I'm safe over here. Now this is shrapnel here.
You gonna like roll underneath the truck?
You can get hurt. So.
You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready!
Oh, safety on.